Okay, I'm just gonna record now.
Ready? Do you feel the wind?
A little bit.
Alright, let me know when you don't feel it.
Isn't it Crystal's job for the wind?
I think so. I think you have to be more predictive.
Come on. There you go. See where the wind is.
That's the light bulb. Oh shit. Light bulb's on. You good? Okay, I'm doing it.
Stop.
Count down.
Count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Damn, that went high.
The parachute's not coming out.
Oh, yeah. Go right! Go right! Oh!
Oh shit, someone's left yard?
Yeah.
Are you gonna knock on the door? Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
So we don't know which one.
It's one of these two. That one or that one?
You like my science project doesn't look
Dude, that was pretty fun.
You know, I was thinking this would not work at all.
Yeah, I know, me too.
I was pretty high, huh?
Yeah. Dude, I have to wait till tomorrow or something for mine.
Fuck, dude.
Dude, it's gonna go.
Do it, dude!
It's gonna go all the way into a house. I think it's this one or that one.
The one where that says dog beware.
No, it could be this one or it could be this one.
Check with the one with no dog beware. I'm pretty sure it's this one. No, I feel like this one went too far. I feel like there's zero right there. No, it went.
Or the house behind it.
Oh, should we just wait for a call?
Huh?
Should we just wait for a call?
I don't know.
Yeah, I told you that parachute.
So you wanna wait?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Okay, make a new video now.